You're lazy and you will never be anything in life.
Everybody needs some company.
Hey my girly girls, it's your girl Taijababesinc and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. I told you I'm gonna keep on going, being consistent. And y'all, let's add a drink to this girly girl chat. If you're not seeing, I got this from Home Goods. This is like a girly girl drink, not drink, let me say cup, and it got bows in it. Of course it's pink and it got a little cute little bow on the straw, and I'm loving it. Let's get into this video. Okay, so if you've seen the topic, you're lazy and you're not going to amount to anything in life. It's harsh, but if you continue being lazy, that's how your life gonna be. Like, your laziness is the reason why you're not successful. Your laziness is the reason why your life is not moving on. Your life is not changing because you are freaking lazy. Get your ass up and do this. So at this period, I know I feel funky around this time of the year because it's like, okay, you're doing your goals, you're trying to be consistent, but it is starting to be a doubt. And I tell you, like, a doubt, they don't really talk to you about that. If you don't talk about like your mental health when it comes to doubting yourself and seeing that you on a right path, like you always need a sign, or you need to be like, hey, if I'm doing this right, let me get a sign. And God is saying, like, look, I gave you too many signs. I put things in your heart, and you still not believing that you could change your life. You're still not believing that you deserve success. So I'm here to tell y'all, from big sis who been through stuff, who just ended her Saturn return, it gets better. Okay, even if life is not great right now, I come to a point where I'm like, you know what, am I doing this? What I need to do YouTube for? Like, what am I doing with my life? Basically, not even YouTube. When it comes to finances, when it comes to, you know, just thinking about like where I'm supposed to be at my age, I'm like, okay, I am not even close to what I want to do, like financially, career wise right now. And I'm just getting into a discouraged period. And a lot of people don't talk about that discouragement, where you're like, okay, am I doing this right? Am I on the right path? You need signs everywhere. I'm a big believer of angel numbers, and I'm like, okay, let me manifest angel numbers to know that I'm on the right path. And I come to a realization that you don't need no angel numbers, even though they're great. You don't need any type of signs, because it goes to a period where you just have to believe in yourself. And I'm here to tell y'all, stop being lazy. Just believe in yourselves that you could change. I know right now it's hard. You're looking at your bank account. You're looking at, like, if you want to be a TikToker or a YouTuber or social media, and you're looking at low views, you're looking at not many people following you. But I look at it as, make it as a grateful period. Grateful for people that are engaged in you. Thankful for the people that are, you know, followers. Be thankful. Like right now, I am thankful for my YouTubers. I'm thankful for that I have the ability to do YouTube. I have the resources. I love doing it and having a passion for it. Also, it could be other things that you should be grateful for. Be grateful that you woke up this morning. Be grateful that you're not in nobody's hospital bed and just striving for life. Thankful that you live in a house. Be thankful that you are able to, even if you live in your car, you could be somewhere worse. You could be literally 6 feet under, but you're not. And that means God give you the ability to keep on going. Keep on doing you. I learned, especially in this time period at the beginning of the year, when you trying to pull out your goals, you're trying to do everything and you're feeling discouraged, remember, be patient. One thing that I learned from my season of waiting is being patient for the right time. God gonna give you what you need at the right time. You have to stop being lazy and do it. Nobody's gonna do it for you. Nobody's gonna change your life for you. Like, who say that life is going to be easy? Life is hard. but you don't have to make it hard all the time. One thing I heard that is so true: it rains sometimes, but it doesn't rain forever. It don't rain all day, every day, whole week. Yes, they have a week where it's full of rain, but that next week the sun is going to shine. And that's how you have to look at life. Like, yes, I'm in my rainy season, but it's about to shine. It's going to shine so bright that you look back and be like, wow, I kept on going. So as your cousin, as your auntie, as your big sis, I am telling y'all to keep on going. My girls, my men, my women, whoever you are, keep on going. Keep on doing what you have to do. I know if you look at yourself, look at your bank account, and you don't see the improvement, just know you have to speak life over yourself. The power of the tongue is very powerful. So you have to speak life on yourself and be like, you know what? I'm rich. I'm wealthy. I'm able to pay my bills on time. I don't have to worry about money abundance. I make money. Like, I don't chase money. Money comes to me. You have to keep on saying that. Or if you want to do content, or if you want to be a nurse, a doctor, or somebody, and you in school right now, and it's the period where it's the second semester. I know how that feels, second semester, and you're like, okay, what's going on? I need a pass. I need to graduate. You have to work hard and tell yourself that you're going to graduate. You're going to be that person. You're going to be that doctor. You're going to be that nurse because you worked hard. You worked hard for it. Yeah, I failed that test, but the next test, I'm going to ace that bitch. I'm going to ace it. And that's what you have to do. You have to, like, believe in yourself. And this is the time of the year, the beginning of the year, where you like, I got to believe in myself. And I just have to trust. I have to trust the process. So this year, get rid of the doubts. Get rid of the naysayers. Get rid of your mind that you cannot do it. And basically trust yourself. Trust the process. Trust that you're not going to be in this position for long. And you're not. You're not going to be in a position for long. You're going to strive, and you're going to have some scars. You're going to have some battle wounds. But guess what? It's going to be worth it. You could go back and come back and say, Taija Babes, girl, you was right. I'm like, yeah, I know I was right. Because I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to me as well. Like, I'm motivating myself. We are on this journey together to change our life for the better. Okay? I'm on this journey. You on this journey. We all on this journey to just make our life way better. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms. I have that down below in the description box. So go ahead and follow your girl on TikTok, Snapchat. I'm on there like every day, but I don't do it like, I don't be, you know, strolling every day. But I do post. I try to be consistent with that. I'm definitely being consistent with YouTube, and y'all need to do that too. If y'all YouTubers, y'all need to be consistent. Y'all can't just be posting once a month, 3 months. No, you gotta post once a week. TikTok, you gotta post every day. You just, how bad do you want it? That's it. But until then, y'all, go ahead, like this video, whatever, and I will see y'all on the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye.
Me have Campari Patron.